Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In our video today, we will see 3 boxes and the surprises inside. If you're ready, let's start. Please don't forget like and subscribe. Choose your hamster. Which box do you prefer? Choose your fruit. Choose your nail. Which bag do you prefer? Choose your cat. Choose your gift. Choose your dog. Choose your lion. Choose your animal. Choose your train. Choose your gift. Choose your gift. Choose your gift. Choose your miniskirt. Choose your ice cream. Choose your phone. Choose your motorcycle. Choose your surprise. Choose your gift. Choose your gift. Choose your pizza. Choose your animals. Choose your flower. Choose your holiday area. Choose your flower. Choose your hotel. Choose your bed. Choose your bird. Choose your animals. Choose your girl. Choose your frog. choose your gift. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.